2018 Acura MDX. I believe there's 2 screws behind here and a screw behind here. Curved pick. Open this little door up like so. Don't troll me now. There we go. Phillips number 2. There's that ASMR sound. 1, 2. I'm gonna get my bone gasket stick, and this just opens up right here, exposes the Phillips. Whoa. And 1, 2. Yank this baby off. Get it ready for bottom loading. Do not lose the screws. Keep them in a safe spot. I believe that's it. Let me open this up. 2. Get this out of the way. Right. Somebody was here before me. This clip was just hanging out. And lift up. Out. I'm just gonna button the bottom so it doesn't just hang, or you can use like shower curtains. Put the shower curtain right here. I'm just gonna button this up. That. Ready for bottom loading.